What we'll do is we'll go across to our colleague Nimesh, who's standing by on D Street Chat. And Nimesh, I think, what people want to know is what is the kind of institutional selling which is going on, right? FII selling. So let's start with that. What are you picking up?
Hi, Prashant. So as far as the flows are concerned, I don't think, there is a large sell-off. That at least that's not the feedback that I picked up from the daily rooms, that there is a massive selling from the larger FIs. Do remember today's numbers will be marked by two large block deals, where, there were two large blocks, and I guess on both the sides, the sellers were not institutional. So it will be marked by very large, number because of the two large block deals, which is Sona Comstar and Mahindra CI. I think that's going to have an impact on the institutional numbers. But as I said, there is no feedback of very large sell-off. I think, again, the markets are at day's low. Some very crucial support levels are broken. But I guess there is no reason, nobody can point to a specific reason why India is underperforming so much. I guess it's largely to do with global risk-off, and that's putting an impact on the Indian markets as well. The pain point is the financial space. The entire banking nifty is down 2%. Most of the stocks are under pressure today, and that's been a big pain point. Also, some of the large heavyweights are not supporting the Nifty or on the bank Nifty. So that's been the big talking point, and a big pain point is the overall feedback. I guess, as I said, some crucial technical levels are broken. So below Nifty is below 17,200. That was a big support, and now that's taken out. So now people are talking about 16,800 could be a level to watch on the downside for the Nifty. So that's the level. Even on bank Nifty, some crucial levels are broken down. So that's the reason why there is a bit of panic as well, I believe, in the second half of today's session. But short answer, Prashant, whether there is a large sell-off from the larger FIs, the feedback is no. There is no big selling pressure from the larger FIs, especially in the large names or in the cash market.
Okay, got that. That's a point well taken, Nimesh. By the way, so much selling pressure on financials beyond the index as well. Look at names like L&T Finance, Max Financial, Aditya Birla Capital. Anything relating to finance is being sold off. But Nimesh, you tell us, what are the other stocks on your radar today?
Hi, Shurbi. So in terms of individual names, the first stock on my list today is Polycab. That stock is under pressure today. Even on Friday, that stock was on 4%. And the biggest worry is there is a buzz of a large block coming soon in Polycab, and hence that stock is under pressure. So that's the first one. The second stock is Piramal Enterprise. Again, that stock has almost hit a 52-week low today, been a massive underperformer. And even at these levels, the feedback is there is constant supply coming in from larger FIs. So the delivery volume is expected to be quite high in Piramal Enterprise today, and there is selling pressure from larger FI is the feedback. So that's the second one. The third stock is Hindustan Lever. Broadly, the feedback since morning was there are buy flows in the FMCG stocks. And within that, Lever stands out. There is a big announcement of the new CEO, and there is a fresh buying as well. So this dip is largely getting bought by some larger FIs in Hindustan Lever. That's the overall feedback. And the last stock is TCNS Clothing. Again, in a weak market, that stock is up 6%. There has been constant reports as well of a possible deal of a stake sale. So maybe that's the reason why that stock is excited today. And the feedback is that maybe by end of this month, you will see that transaction going through, and hence that stock is buzzing in trade today.
Thank you very much for that. Get into a break. On the other side, Jonathan Sheasel of Westminster Asset Management will be joining in.